Nereden öğrendin bunları?
Senden. Nereden öğrenecek? And our börekler are ready for tomorrow. They look delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I wanted to share with you my experience in kayaking for the first time. We bought a kayak like last time, and we went for a trip to Sapanca, like around 1.5 or 2 hours from Istanbul. The lake was amazing, so I'm going to share with you how it went, and I hope you enjoy the video. Aa, balıklar zıpladı. Rahat. Hep böyle olsa daha iyi.
Var. Motor takacağız. Yani
Ya, senin gibi motor olmaz ama.
Tekne alacağız. Karşı taraf az kaldı.
Hadi gidelim. Masa bile almadık.
Karşı tarafta gireceğimiz yer yok.
Ne bileyim, kahvaltı
Nereye
yapardık.
kaçacağız ya? Vay, ördeklere bak.
Yeah. Paddling board yapıyorlar. Ay, çok güzel. Just came back. We took around 2 hours, and we went across the other side and we came back. It was very fun. The water, the lake is very calm, so it was good for first time. I like it. I like it. Now it's time to deflate this bad boy and bring it home. I don't think it's gonna be difficult, but it was very comfortable. I mean, Chef sat there and I sat in the front, and it was cool. I like it. But we're going to buy another paddle because we bought only one just to see how it goes. And we realized that yes, we need two paddles. It was hard. When he gets tired, I take it. When I get tired, I give him back. So it is for two persons, but we bought only one paddle.
Yiyor mu?